Hi, my name is Tyler Marcinkus, and this is my video for Kinesiology 220 on splinting an extremity. Before you begin, you need to make sure you put on latex or vinyl gloves to prevent any disease transmission to yourself or to the victim. You must ask for consent to perform first aid and your primary check. May I help you?
Yes.
In this primary check, we will determine that her left leg is broken, so we are not going to touch that leg. But his right leg is okay, so if we need to move one of them, then we can move this leg. Next, we are going to have to recognize that we do not have any bandages or anything that can be used to bandage up the legs. Instead, we are going to have to use belts to wrap the legs together. But first, we are going to apply a blanket in between the legs as padding, so there isn't as much stress on the victim's leg while it's broken. Then we will slide the belts under her legs, starting with the broken one and pulling it under both so you can tie them together at the top. You will do this 2 more times to make sure that the leg is in place and is secure with the other leg. After you have the ropes underneath, you will have to tie them all. Make sure that they're tight so the leg doesn't move while it's broken. You will then have to make sure that the rope is not too tight so it is not cutting off the victim's circulation. When the ropes are tied, you then must check for CSM and make sure that the victim's feet and legs are okay and they are not changing colors. How do your feet feel? Good? Okay. If they have not changed colors and they are not cold, then your feet are okay. But however, if they do change colors, then that shows that the ropes are too tight and that they are cutting off blood flow to the feet. After this, you are going to properly take off your gloves by only touching the insides of them. Once you have your gloves taken off, you're going to put them in a Ziploc bag so you can properly throw them away. By doing this, you will not have the spread of disease getting around to everybody else. After this, you have successfully completed splinting an extremity, and you can wait for EMS to arrive.